doing? My name is Kevin. I'm back with another video. We've been doing a lot of flipping lawn equipment here at the Homestead. We did a big $400 project there earlier. We did a Boland's lawnmower, push mower. We did a Troy-built 2700 power washer. Then we did the log splitter. We haven't got rid of the log splitter. We're going to set on it for a while. But I ended up coming across this guy. Now, I did a little bit of trading to get it. If you guys watch my channel a long while back, we built a coal forge from all scrap. We didn't have any money in it. It was basically a lot of work, but no money. And a young man wanted to do some forging, and he had this mini bike, and he traded me this mini bike straight up for the coal forge, which is good. This is the Coleman BT200X. Now, one thing about it, this thing does not run, and I knew it didn't run when I got it. I basically wanted the frame. So what happened was the pull start on this motor went bad, and he was using a drill to start it up, and somehow he shattered the magneto on it. So we're not going to mess with this motor. I think this motor, we could pick up a magneto and put on there, and we could probably sell this motor, but I think what we're going to do is swap it out for a 212 Predator engine. That's going to give us a little more power, and we'll go ahead and change the, we'll use the same centrifugal clutch and the Jackshaft that's on this motor, and we'll get it set up, let the grandkids ride it if they like it, and I like it. I think what we're going to do is switch it out. We're going to put a torque converter on it. We're going to do some modifications to it. We're going to make it really nice. So let's get started. Let's pull this motor off. Okay, motor's off. That was pretty easy. Not too bad. Alright, we have our new 212 Predator engine here. Just picked this one up. And I know a lot of people out there, when you look for this Predator engine, you always look on the box, and you don't want the one that ends in 3.0, because that's not a Hemi engine. You want the one that ends in 3.6. I believe it's 3.6. Well, this Predator engine, the number, they're not making them like that no more. You can't tell by the number that's on it. So what you have to do is you basically got to open the box and look in the box and make sure it's a Hemi engine. And you're always going to look for the back of this. You'll see this plate that's covering your valves here is actually going to be cast aluminum, not shiny tin. You want the cast aluminum one. That's one way of telling if you have the Hemi engine. So we got our engine. We're going to get ready to mount it on the mini bike, and we're going to have some fun here. It's going to be a little project, but we'll get her done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the centrifugal clutch off of here and the Jackshaft, and we'll be mounting that on our Predator engine. Alright, so we got everything tore down on the other motor, and I was going to put the centrifugal clutch on this motor and the Jackshaft, and I was going to run this motor and then see if we liked it, and then I would order the torque converter. Well, when I got the other motor opened, or I got the clutch off, this motor here has the 212 Predator engine, has the 3/4 inch shaft, and that one that we took off, it's 196 cc, the Coleman engine. It has a 5/8 shaft on it. So the Jackshaft and the centrifugal clutch wouldn't fit on this. So what we did is we went ahead and ordered the torque converter for this, and we got a riser for the motor. From what I understand, in order to put the torque converter on this, you have to put a riser on it to lift that motor up so the torque converter doesn't hit the frame. So we got that ordered, and hopefully the next time we do some videos, we'll have this thing pretty much up and going. Hopefully we can get it running. But right now, we got to wait on our parts to get here, and if you guys can think of anything I should do to this thing, I would kind of like to make it look like a little street bike, but really do a neat job on it. I think that would be cool. And I want it to have enough power to pull me around. So, and I think it will with this engine and the torque converter. So if you guys can think of anything you think I might should do to this thing, or what I might do to get this motor hooked up, leave it in the comments below, and we'll see if we can get this thing up and moving around. We did a lot of cleaning. I think everything looks good. It's not beat up. It's actually a good looking little mini bike. So I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment if you'd like. Until next time.